Hello, welcome to Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to return our font style to default options in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, our font is a little bigger than it should be by default. The letters are a little thicker, bolder. How to return it back to normal? We have to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility options, then visibility enhancements. And at the bottom we have font size and style. Here a few options can be changed. For example, we can turn off bold font, we can change size if we want, and here is our default font style right here. And now it turned back to normal. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.